Hi guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. If you are new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a 3D column stacked chart in VBA Excel. To create this type of chart in VBA Excel, we require the data as shown on the screen. So this is the quarterly performance of each product on the screen in Excel, and by this we are going to see how to create a 3D column stack chart in VBA Excel. So this is the VBA editor, or we can say this is the VBA macro button, and inside the macro button I have assigned a VBA code. First we will be seeing the output of a code, and then we will be getting a deep explanation and understanding about the code written behind it to create this type of 3D column stacked chart in VBA Excel. So let's have a look on our output first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our 3D column stacked chart in VBA Excel, and this is the output of our chart. So and output of our code. Now let's see the VBA code written behind this and have a deep explanation and the understanding about the code to create such type of charts in VBA Excel. Let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure to create a 3D column stack chart in VBA Excel. So now we will be seeing what all steps has to be taken to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. The first step which we are going to take is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is our data, and I have selected a single cell inside it. Once you have selected a single cell inside your data, we are going to write this line of code which says activesheet.shapes.addChart2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters to create this chart. Now let's see what are they. First parameter is the chart value. Each and every chart has its own value. For this video we have our chart value as 2, and then we are going to type the chart type. So as you can see, Excel 3D column stacked is the chart type which we are going to create in this video. So I have written Excel 3D column stack as a type, and then we are going to give the left, width, top and height parameters to position our final, or you can say new chart in our worksheet. Once you have given this, we are going to close the bracket, and then we are going to type dot select over here. So once you have written dot select, your chart will be created and it will automatically select it. But wait, we have not done yet. What we are going to do is we are going to do some additional operations to this chart so that it can be more presentable as the output. So as you can see, this is our active chart, and once you have created and selected the chart, that becomes our active chart. So we are going to use a with statement to do these operations with the active chart. So the code goes as with active chart, and below that we are going to type dot hash title equals to true, below that dot chart title dot text equals to then our name of our chart. So let's see what this first line of code does is dot hash title equals to true ensures and informs VBA that we have a chart title in our chart, and in the next line we have written what should be our chart title in text. So for that we have written dot chart title dot text equals to then our name of our chart. So once you have given these name, or you can say chart title, inside the double inverted comma, your chart title will appear inside your chart. You can change this as per your convenience. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to show the data labels. As you can see that each and every block has been labeled by its value. So to do that, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element data label show. Once you have written this line of code, your data label will appear inside your chart. And then the next step we are going to do is we are going to set the data table. So to show this data table, we are going to say dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element data table show. Once you have written this argument or this line of code, you will be able to see your data table inside your chart. The next thing what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines from our chart. As you can see, we don't have any grid lines inside our chart. So to remove the grid lines inside our chart, we have to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we have to type MSO element primary value grid lines now. Once you have given this, our grid lines will disappear. The next line what we are going to do is we are going to set our legends on top. As you can see, our legends are on top over here. So how should we do that? To do that, we have to type dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element legend top. Once you have given this line, your legends will automatically on the top of your chart. And then what we are going to do is we are going to clear the chart floor. So what is chart floor? Chart floor is nothing but the base of your chart, a base space inside your chart which will show some lines to separate each blocks of bars inside your chart. So to remove those, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element chart floor none. Once you have written this, your chart floor will be disappeared. After that, as you can see, we have already labeled our column stack chart, and we have shown the table inside our chart. So we don't require the value access over here. So that's why I have deleted that. So to delete that, we have to type dot access, in the bracket it's Excel value, and outside the bracket we are going to type dot delete. Once you have written dot delete, and then if you execute it, then you will be able to see that there will be no access inside your chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to end the with statement. So as you can see, we have started the with statement over here, and we are ending it over here. If you have followed this video till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D column stack chart in VBA Excel. And one more thing, as you can see that we have already selected our chart initially while creating it. So if you want to deselect your chart automatically, then what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our worksheet which should be empty, because selecting an empty cell is more advisable, because that will prevent the data losing part. So I have selected range G4 as my range, first a single cell. So if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D column stack chart in VBA Excel. If you have any doubts or queries or suggestions, then please do drop it in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For more such videos, please do visit our channel page BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Have a great day. Bye.